Good morning children. In this video we will see what is the expanded form, how to write it and then short form. After that international system of numeration. First we will start with the expanded form. Expanded form is writing the number as sum of the place values of its digits. You know already the place values of the digits. Let's take one number. Now you know already how to read the number. The number is 63,45,780. 8 is there in ones place. 1 is tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay, 8 is there in ones place. What is the place value of this 8? 8 is there in ones place. Value is 8 into 1, that is 8. 1 is there in tens place. Okay, what is its place value? Tens place. 1 is there in tens place. 1 into 10, that is 10. 7 is there in hundreds place. 7 into 100, that is 700 value. 5 is there in thousands place. 5 into 1000, that is 5000. 4 is there in 10,000 place. 4 into 10,000, that is 40,000. 3 is there in lakhs place. 3 into 1 lakh, that is 3 lakhs. Now 6 is there in 10 lakhs place. 6 into 10 lakhs. What is its value? 60 lakh. Now these are the place values of those digits. If we expanded form is nothing but 6 is there in 10 lakhs place. 60 lakhs. After that we write 3 is there in lakhs place now. 3 lakhs. After that we write 40,000 plus 5,000 plus 700 plus 10 plus 8. In this way if we write, we call it as expanded form. Writing the, okay, we are writing the number as sum of the place values of its digits. This is called what? Expanded form. Let us take another number. Okay, we know the places ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. 6 is there in crores place. What is its value? 6 crore. 6 crore. That is 6 after. How many places are there here? Count. We see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. Therefore, we place 7 zeros. You know, crore is having 7 zeros. 6 crores is having 6 after 7 zeros. Plus 5 is there in 10 lakhs place. Value is 50 lakhs. That is 5 after 6 digits are there. 6 zeros. Plus 4 is there in lakhs place. Value is 4 lakh. Lakh is having 5 zeros. 4 lakh 4 after 5 zeros. plus 3 is there in 10,000s place, 30,000. 8 is there in thousands place, 8,000. 7 is there in hundreds place, 700. Plus 1 is there in tens place, 110. Plus 2 is there in ones place, 2. This is how we write the expanded form. Now we will see how to write the short form. Short form is the reverse process of expanded form. That is, they will give here expanded form. We have to write the short. That is the numeral we are writing. That is, what is this number? 4 crores. Expanded form. I took one expanded form. Now we are writing the short form. We have constant number. That is ones place, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. One constant number we have, that is 8. Okay, tens are not there. That is 10 number not there. Tens we doesn't have. I am writing 0 under tens place. Hundreds, that is 20 number is 3. Now 1030 number is 4. And 50, okay, 40 number that is 10,000 is 5. And then next 1 lakh. 1 lakh is nothing but 5 zeros. So we have 1 lakh here, not there. 6 zeros is 10 lakhs. Lakhs place 0 and 10 lakhs place 6 and then crores are 4. Constant number is 8. Tens are not there, that is 10 number not there, 0, 20 number is 3, 30 number is 4, 5, 40 number is 5, 60 number not there, 70 number is 6 and then next 4. Okay, clear now? Let us take one more number. Forty lakhs I took first, 40 lakhs and then 3 lakhs. Next I took 4 crores. Next I took 80 crore. Now jumbled. Here place values are jumbled. Now we will see how to write the short form. First we have to observe the constant number. Constant number is 8. Now 10 number, that is 4. 20 number, that is 100 not there, 0. And then next 30 number, 7. And then next 40 number. 40 number is not there, 0. 50 number is 3. 60 number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 60 number, that is 4. 70 number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that is 4. And 80 number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 80 number, that is 8. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores. 80 crores we have, 4 crores we have, that is ones place we have 8. Okay, constant number 8. Tens are 4 are there, 40. Hundreds are not there, any hundred is not given in this expanded form. Thousands are 7, 7,000. Okay, and then 10,000, 40 number not given. Lakhs, lakhs are 3, 3 lakhs. And then 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs are 10 lakhs are how many are there? 1, 2, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, 40 lakhs, that is 10 lakhs plus 4. Crores are flow. Again crores are 4. And then 10 crores are 8. What is this number? How will read? 84 crore 43 lakh 7,048. This is how we write the short form. I think both expanded and short forms are clear. Now we will see the international system of numeration. How we write the number names using international system of. Okay, in international system of numeration, this is the place value chart we have. In this system, we have 4 periods, that is ones period, thousands period, millions period and billions period. 4 periods we have, and under ones period we have the places ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands period, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, and then millions we have millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, and then billions period we have billions, 10 billions, 100 billion. That is in this system each period we have 3 places. In every period we have 3 places. And how we place the commas in this system is every period after, from the right side we'll place commas. Month period, that is 3 digits after 1 comma, and again 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 after we'll keep 1 comma. After that millions, 10 million, 100 million, millions period 1 comma, and then billions, billions after 1 comma, millions after 1 comma, thousands after comma. This is how we place the commas in international system of numeration. Now we'll take one number and we write the number name. Okay, write the places in this system. What are the places? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 million. Millions separating after millions period comma, thousands period one more comma. How many millions are there? How we read this number? 438. 438 millions. 137,000. Thousands how many are there? 137 and 618. Okay, number name is what? 438 million. 438 million 137 137,000 618. Okay, clear how to write the number name? 438 are under millions. 438 millions 137,618. 3 digits after we have to place comma in this system, remember. Now let us take one more example. Okay, this is the number given. First, to write the number name of this, we should write the places. 1, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion. Okay, how many are there billions? 53. 53 comes under billions. 53 billion, 147 million, 816,408. 53 billion. Number name is what? 53 billion, 147 million, 816,408. 408. Generally we want to use and in between. This is how we write the number names using International System of Numeration. That is, if the numeral is given, how to write the number name we have seen now. Now we will see how to write the numeral if the number name is given. Now I am giving one number name. Let's write the numeral. For example, five billion 320,000,000 476,000 580. This is the number name is given. Okay, billions, we have up to billions and only single digit is given under billions. Now first write the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, billions. How many are there billions? 5. 5 billion. And how many are there million? 320. 320. Under millions period, okay, we should write 320. 320 million. And how many are there? 1,400. Sorry, I'm spelling wrong. 476,000. Under thousands, how many we should write? 476. 476,000 and then 518. 518. This is how we should write the numeral. Okay, any doubts? Billions, how many are there billion? 5 billion. And how many are there millions? 320 are there millions. And then next thousands, 476. 476 thousands are there, 518. Let us take one more example. Sixty million 65,000. If it is there, we'll see how to write. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 million. 60. How many are there million? 60. Only two places. 60 million and 1,000. How many are there? 1,000? 65. 65, hundreds are not there. 100,000. Only two digits are there. 65. 065 value is 65. 65,000 and remaining places we write 0. Okay, is it clear? 60 million, 65,000. This is how we write the numeral if the number name is given. Thank you.